Next question is, what is matter made up of? Okay, let us find out the answer of this question. A piece of iron is a matter. If an iron piece is broken, what happens? It converts into the small piece of iron. Okay. If we continue breaking the piece of iron, it becomes smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. As this result, we can say that any matter is made up of a small particle of that matter. So a small particle of matter make a matter. Okay. It should be possible to get the smallest piece of iron that cannot be broken any further. Okay. A stage will come when it not able to broken again. John Dalton, a scientist in 19th century, named the smallest piece of iron, which is said atom. Okay. So if we talk about iron, if gold, iron and gold, these are the atom. Sorry, these are the matter. These are the matter which are made up of a small particle, which is said to be iron atom, gold atom. So atom is the smallest particle of any matter. Okay, millions and millions of atoms consist and make a matter. Okay, so we can say that iron is a matter which made up of iron atoms. Gold is a matter which made up of gold atom. Okay, the smallest piece of gold is gold atom. A smallest piece of iron is called iron atom. Okay, now we can see that atoms are so small that they cannot be seen by our naked eyes. So with these eyes we are not able to see the smallest particle of any matter, means we are not able to see atoms of any matter. Okay, we are able to see with the help of microscope. Okay, we only see atoms of any matter with the help of microscope, with the help of most powerful microscope. Okay, approximately 40 lakh gold atoms placed in a 1 mm long gold. Okay, if 1 mm length of gold you have, then it consists of 40 million. It consists of 40 lakh gold atom. It consists of 40 lakh gold atom. Okay, so 1 mm length of gold is consist of 40 lakh of gold atom. Okay, now Now we talk about molecule. Okay, let us see what is molecule. We know that water. What is water? Let us see. So, first of all, I want to tell you, water is represented as H2O. Okay, and here this H is hydrogen and this O is oxygen. Okay, so the oxygen, this oxygen is a matter, hydrogen is also matter. Okay, this oxygen is made up of only oxygen atom and this hydrogen is made up of only hydrogen atom. Okay, but the water is not made up of only water atom, it is made up of hydrogen atom and oxygen atom. Hence we can say that water is a mixture of two type of matter. We can also say that hydrogen atom and oxygen atom combine in a proportion and make this important thing which is water. Okay, which is water. The smallest particle of water contains 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Okay, now the next thing is iron, gold, hydrogen, oxygen, whose smallest particles are atom are called elements. So whatever the things, whatever the matter, any matter which are made up of single type of atom, then it's said to be element. So this iron is made up of only iron atom, this gold is made up of only gold atom, this hydrogen is made up of only hydrogen atom, and this oxygen is made up of only oxygen atom. Then we say that these are elements. Okay, but water is not element, because water is not made up of single type of atoms, it is made up of 2 type of atom, hydrogen atom and oxygen atom. Okay, so whatever the substance made up of 2 different type of atoms, 2 different type of elements, then it's said to be compound. So water is not element, water is a compound. So compound is made up of 2 different type of atom or 2 elements, and whatever the matters are made up of single type of atom is said to be elements. Okay, so this is the definition of elements and compound. Okay, now we have table 4.3. we need to draw it, table 4.3, and revise it very carefully.